I think I am the perfect specimen for this bike. A protruding belly, receding hairline and major midlife crisis. बट आगे बढ़ने से पहले प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। और इस रिव्यू में मैं ये बताने की कोशिश करूँगा ऑनेस्टली कि ये बाइक फील कैसी करती है और लॉन्ग टर्म में आपको क्या बेनिफिट्स या नॉट सो बेनिफिट्स देगी। सो विद दिस लेट 30s एक्साइटमेंट we will showcase what this bike stands for and what this bike is good at. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस एज में where I would like to love such bikes, I kind of want to own one too, but let's see where this takes us, where this journey of riding this bike takes us. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले फिट एंड फिनिश से। So I think fit and finish में this bike is impeccable. I haven't seen a Royal Enfield bike this finished. Over there is an Interceptor. Over there is an Interceptor, and you know what we've gone through over this Interceptor to, you know, get this into that shape. It was not complete, but you know, the chassis was painted, whereas on the but अगर उधर देखें, the chassis is not painted, the chassis is powder coated, and that says a lot about the company. This is a powder coating that has happened on the chassis, which is a notch above, to the fit and finish that they are, you know, eyeing on and they are keeping to. So the other day I had gone to the Triumph showroom and I was checking out the Bonneville series of bikes. They have a lot of variations too, just like इस 650 में बहुत सारे variations आने वाले हैं, उनके भी Bonneville range के बहुत सारे variations हैं and बहुत सारे engine different engine options हैं. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसकी fit and finish और उसकी fit and finish काफ़ी similar हो चुकी है. I still remember in my college days there was a bike very similar to this, not in looks but in the genre of bikes. That bike was Yamaha Enticer, a very small Puri engine, but it was very, very comfortable. It had large foot stabilizers, you know, like a platform inspired from the Fat Boy of that time. So yeah, so I had experienced that comfort and that ride on even long distances. वो काफ़ी comfortable bike थी. ऐसा इसमें बहुत सारा नहीं है. Like it's comfortable, but on a long stretch I think it becomes slightly like a push. Like I am 5'7", 5'8", whatever, with heels 5'8", but it is a stretch for me. I think after a long ride it kind of gives me those tiring pulls and stuff like that. Maybe I'm not a cruising sort of a guy or a cruiser oriented guy, but even then for me, which is an average height of an Indian male, this is still a stretch. So बहुत से लोगों ने मेरे से ये पूछा कि इस बाइक को लोग मुड़ के देखेंगे, तो उसमें मेरा आंसर ये था कि हाँ, definitely. This bike has a lot of road presence. The other day we were at our regular joint Panchgaon, and there were a lot of Harley riders over there and they were checking this bike out, making me believe that this bike can gauge some attention. और अगर आप शाम को किसी कैफ़े के पास अगर इसको लगा देते हैं तो ये काफ़ी अच्छी दिखने वाली है और लोग मुड़ के तो डेफिनेटली देखेंगे ही. तो हाँ, लुक्स के नंबर पूरे 100% है इसके. सो गाइज, बहुत सारी बातें हो रही थी इसके सस्पेंशन के लिए, बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ शोआ इन द फ्रंट. And what has happened is that this Showa is specially tuned for this bike. So बहुत सारा confusion create नहीं करेंगे. इस बाइक का सस्पेंशन थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है. आगे it's soft, पीछे it's hard. The Showa is doing its job. Don't take me otherwise, but Showa is made to order on this bike. As in made to order बोले तो OEM ने एक ऑर्डर प्लेस किया होगा कि एक स्पेसिफिक यूटिलाइजेशन के लिए मुझे शोआ के सस्पेंशन चाहिए. दिस चेयर आर डिस्टर्बिंग मी. ओके, सो शोआ का जो काम है वो अच्छी तरह से निभा रहा है, बट ऐसा मत सोचिएगा कि ये शो है तो इट विल कॉन्कर द वर्ल्ड फॉर यू ऑन दिस बाइक. दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. इट्स गोना डू इट्स ड्यूटी व्हाट इट इज डिजाइन्ड फॉर, एंड दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इट. नथिंग मोर, नथिंग लेस. सो शोआ मेरे हिसाब से इसकी जगह अगर कोई और सस्पेंशन भी होता है एंड वाज डूइंग द सेम जॉब इन दिस, आई थिंक it would have done my job properly. But here I still get that brand weightage that a lot of brands call for कि हाँ इसमें शोआ लगा हुआ है, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. ऐसा नहीं है. It does its job nicely in the front, but in the rear it's a different story altogether. So in the rear I felt that this bike was very, very stiff, although it helps in cornering and stuff like that. But broken roads like these and broken roads of our country, it's quite difficult to run this on a long route, and after some time it becomes so comfortably, or I may say uncomfortably numb, that your back starts hurting. And if it is not hurting, then it will on a long ride on this. So finally, summing it up, so it's a good bike. See, cruisers have come out of America. That's where the breeding ground of cruisers is. The roads are straight and the roads are wide and long. और शायद इसीलिए मीडिया ड्राइव जैसलमेर में हुई थी, जहाँ पे बहुत ही स्पिक एंड स्पैन रोड्स हैं, स्ट्रेट हैं और बहुत ही लीनियर कर्व्स हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा एग्रेसिव कर्व्स नहीं हैं, जहाँ पे ये बाइक बहुत अच्छी चली होगी. एंड आई हैव सीन दोज रोड्स एंड उस पे आई डोंट थिंक इस बाइक पे कोई भी discomfort आया होगा. But on our roads it's a totally different scenario. On normal roads where you will use it every day. But एक बात सच्ची बोलूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि this is a beautiful looking bike and very, very, very well made. And emphasis डाल के बोल रहा हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी बनी हुई बाइक है. रॉयल एनफील्ड में सबसे बेटर फिनिश लगी है मुझे इस बाइक की. So in the end this is a beautiful bike trying to do a lot of things together. This 650cc engine is very nice and very peppy, but I don't think it is for me, just because in my old age I hunt for comfort and this doesn't behave comfortably. And on this bombshell, this is A Couple of Rides signing off.